Yo, what up, guys? It's me again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, I want us to prepare something very sweet, something that I know many of you like. That is smoothie. So, before we prepare it, I want you guys to subscribe, you like, you share, and you comment if necessary. So let me show you what we have for our smoothie and what we need. We need these are avocados, these are bananas. I think you can see them, and then we have these are mangoes, and lastly we have our pawpaws. So, and this is our water. You boil it, you wait until it chills first. Then, after that, you are going to use it to blend our fruits. So, let's do it, guys. So, we start with avocados. We put them, then we put our mangoes gently. We put in our bananas, and then pawpaws. And after that, now we can add in our water. All right. So now we are going to cover. We are going to turn it on a blend. So now, even this, so we are going to switch off. Uh, then we put into our jug. Then we are going to cover it with its lid and place it in our our fridge. This is where we are going to put it. Let me show you guys. So now we are going to put it into our fridge. Let us wait for it to chill. And that's all, guys. Very simple. You put it into your fridge, you wait until it chills. If you don't want to take it as immediately, that is, if you want it to chill first, you can put it into your fridge, then you wait. And that's all. Very simple and very sweet. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Okay, bye. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe, share, and all that, guys. I love you. Bye.